Hello again, welcome back. It's part 2. This is Priscilla Batzell in Springville, Florida. If you didn't see part 1, it should be linked below the video. I see I have a gap right there that I want to stick my finger in. A couple of them actually. I don't mind the blue behind, but maybe I do. So I've got clouds and I want to play with them. And for that I'm going to turn this back around and I'm going to start, well, I started by blowing into them with a straw. But what I really want to do now is grab one of my little tools and see how I feel about adding some spirals. Which is sometimes pretty cool. And what I really wanted to do was use the Amsterdam black and blow into the clouds. But we'll see how that works in a minute. I have a few cells in the clouds, but they're sort of an odd lot of colors, which is okay, you know. I think sometimes odd is better than boring. I should know. I'm liking those. Maybe if I don't put a lot in, then in between I can try the Amsterdam white. I don't like it as much where the paint is thin and blown out. And obviously the Amsterdam white cell activator is only going to work really well where the paint is heavy. I think the first cloud is my favorite. I'm going to steal a little paint from right up there where there seems to be plenty. There's some oddly shaped clouds, but this is a very surreal seascape anyway. It was my first using the white, the Amsterdam white, and I'm pretty happy about my results. I don't want to take a chance with that. That is going in the bucket. So let's try it. Oh boy, here goes nothing sort of thing. Bring that down. Do I really want to do this? Oh. Where can I do it where it's going to do the least amount of damage? I think it's that cloud down there that's kind of bland, which makes me want to put some other color in there actually. Let's do that. Let's put another color in there, and if I need more, I'll use more. But in the meantime, that's my experiment. How do I like that? I'm going to have to turn it around to find out. Well, goes with the rest of the painting, but it does make me want to only put it in there if I can add some colors. We got another thunderstorm coming. You might be able to hear it. I'm pretty sure you should be able to hear it. The lights will dim. I'm looking for a color and I'm not seeing it. There we go. That'll work. And here goes nothing. This way, if I don't like it, and I kind of do like it, I don't know. I don't know that I need. I don't know that I need to do it everywhere. So what I'm going to do is just spiral it out and not worry about it anymore. So much for part 2. All right, I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Tell you guys I have over 2,100 videos on playlists organized by the 100 and by topic and genre. My link tree underneath the video has my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website, my Facebook groups, my Legalis clothing made in Montreal. If you give me a thumbs up, I should have asked for that in part 1. I'd appreciate it. If you share my videos, I'd definitely appreciate it. I Can't imagine why I'd still be here. I did tell you my email address with getting access. If you have a question about taking a class with me, they're private. They're 4 hours. They're at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I see a little canvas over here, which means I'm not putting up with that. And I don't mind using just the plain pink, but if I need something else, I'll put it in there. Not usually my favorite color, mostly a catalyst color for me. So I'm going to throw a little bit of purple in there. Because as far as I can tell, clouds don't obey any rules, from what I've seen. Alright, that is what it is. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Look on my community board for tomorrow's video. And check out the Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook if you want to know when I have a new video coming out, because they are not always being put into the feed any longer by YouTube. I run a monthly drawing, and if you want to win a painting, a donation through PayPal or Patreon, whose links are on my YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner, and also on the link tree, will get you automatically entered. What else can I tell you? I have, I think I told you everything I need to except for my Amazon link. It's a great place to shop. And my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula is there, as well as my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. Lots and lots of paint. Even my camera is there. So I think this is what it is, and it's done as it is, and it was a great experiment. I had a good time. I'm glad you're here. I still post 7 days a week and multiple times in the weekend, and I have another channel called Paint Pouring Adventures by Priscilla Batzell, and if you check it out, you might find some really cool stuff, especially in the beginning. I'm going to be posting there more often because things are weird at YouTube as per usual. My paint pouring recipe is below the video if you want to find it. It's accompanied by my cell activator recipe most of the time. If you have a question, please ask me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla out for now. See you anon.